Hi, I'm Allie Boone. I'm a real estate investor and entrepreneur and a real estate investing coach. 10 years ago, I dumped my 9 to 5 job as an aerospace engineer after beginning to invest for myself and successfully shifting into real estate investing full time. I recently authored Not Your How To Guide to Real Estate Investing Life Lessons on Hacking Your Mind Before You Hack Your Wallet, a must read for anyone who wants a better chance of succeeding as a real estate investor. One of the most critical and game changing components of my success was having someone who was not only able to guide and direct me as an investor, but who was also there to help untangle the constant challenges and confusion I was running into. I've coached a wide variety of investors, and the majority of people that I work with tend to fall in one of two categories. They're either brand new or aspiring investors who are so overwhelmed with all the information available on the internet that they're either stuck in analysis paralysis or, quite frankly, they just can't figure out which way is up. Or they're current investors who are bumping up against some sort of challenge. Either they're completely stuck at an obstacle or they're just not achieving their goals efficiently. Now, think of me like a driver's ed instructor. You're doing all the work, but I'm there for guidance. Go here, go there, turn left, watch out for that truck. And I happen to have my own set of emergency brake pedals. No matter what you need help with, I offer guidance and support to help you achieve your next steps, either through single sessions where we discuss your goals and challenges, and I provide you with quick and easy solutions to get you back on track. Or you can do a 3 month commitment where we meet twice a month and I provide ongoing support as your right hand man, or woman in my case, to help you along your journey. As Robert Kiyosaki says, your mentors in life are important, so choose them wisely. Reach out today and let's talk about how I can help you find success and reach your real estate investing goals.